I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Wednesday, July 16th. Soybeans are higher in the early going, starting to look a little bit oversold after the recent dip to new lows and falling below some key support points. The trade today is going to test as to whether or not they can move back above those support points with a little bit of help from a higher moving soybean meal this morning. Corn is modestly higher, seeing some follow-through support from short covering and technical buying. And while near-term development conditions do look favorable in much of the Midwest and Plains, with more rainfall in the forecast for some areas, both corn and soybeans are a little bit concerned about some longer-term weather outlooks that could put some stress on this year's developing corn and bean crops. Wheat is mixed. Chicago and Kansas City are down on U.S. and world wheat harvest pressure. Meanwhile, Minneapolis is up with some questions about spring wheat conditions in the northern U.S. plains and the Canadian prairies. Live and feeder cattle are mixed, mostly lower, waiting for widespread direct cash cattle business to get underway. Have not seen a whole lot of interest as of yet this week, and box beef did close mixed on Tuesday afternoon. And hogs are mixed, mostly higher. The wholesale market has been on a mostly higher trend so far this week, but it's been mostly modestly higher, not a lot of fireworks there. And the trade definitely wants to see at least some improvement in export demand. With the opening market minute for Wednesday, July 16th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.